Welcome back, guys. Now we're going to be doing radioactivity and the nuclear atom question 26 to 30, paper 1, 5054. Let's start. Question 26. How do the proton numbers, atomic numbers, and the nuclear number, mass number of two different isotopes of the same element compare with each other? So the proton number will, of course, be the same, and the nuclear number will be different. It's a simple ask question. Question 27. In which situation is energy being released by fusion of hydrogen nuclei to form helium? So he's clearly talking about nuclear fusion right now. And nuclear fusion कहाँ होती है? खुद सोचिए आप. Nuclear fusion only happens, I mean not only, like mainly happens in the center of the sun because सन के सेंटर में आई थिंक 10 मिलियन डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है राइट 10 मिलियन से मेरे ख्याल से ज्यादा ही होता है 10 मिलियन डिग्री सेल्सियस बट अराउंड दैट बॉल पार्क तो या वो एक्सट्रीमली हाई टेम्परेचर्स होते हैं जिधर वो अकर करती है व्हाट यू कॉल इट न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन तो या बल्कि मैं सर्च कर देना कितना so yeah it's approximately 15 million degrees celsius yeah I was around that ballpark pass tha. So yeah, continuing the nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is the combining of two lighter nuclei to produce a heavy nuclei. And in turn, like this releases a lot of energy and the reaction can only occur in the center of the earth because I mean sun because it requires extremely high temperatures for this reaction, right? So yeah, it's gonna be the center of the sun. The 28 question 28 the nuclei notation of the isotope of an isotope of X is A क्या होगा इसका न्यूक्लियर नंबर है C क्या हमारे पास इसका प्रोटॉन नंबर है how many neutrons are in the nucleus how many neutrons are in the nucleus will be determined using the nucleon number and the proton number as we know कि nucleon number को हमने represent किया हुआ है as A राइट ए हमने आज न्यूक्लियर नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट किया हुआ है और प्रोटॉन नंबर को हमने आज जी रिप्रेजेंट किया हुआ है तो ए माइनस जी विल गिव अस द आंसर व्हिच इज गोना बी द बी ए माइनस जी विल गिव अस द न्यूट्रॉन्स Question 29. Radioactivity is used in several activities that take place in the hospital. Which activity never uses radioactivity? Acha, so basically they have told us that things that happen in the hospital. So we should be vigilant enough to know that cooking meals does not happen in the hospital. आप खाना नहीं बनाते हॉस्पिटल में जाके हॉस्पिटल contains germs. So you don't not cook in hospital. ठीक है ना? जो cooking meals it typically involves it does not involve sorry radioactivity. Radioactivity होती है इस medical applications की बहुत होती हैं like diagnosis of illness जिसमें मतलब हो जाएगा using radioactive tracers अगर हमने sterilize करनी है gamma I mean equipment तो हम gamma radiation use करेंगे right mostly and treating illnesses such as cancer with radiation therapy. So yeah, we all know about those things, but cooking meals is an odd answer. So yeah, we should be vigilant enough to know that this is completely bullshit. Question 30. 14,6 carbon is a naturally radioactive isotope of carbon and is present in all living things. It has a half-life of 5,700 years. How old is a bone that is found to have one-fourth of the natural proportions of 14 614 carbon. अच्छा half life क्या होती है half life is the amount of time it takes for the nuclei to have right for example you have this right this is one whole piece of bread I'm just giving you an example this is one whole piece of bread it will half now right half हो रही है तो this is half a piece of bread right और उसके बाद ये फिर से half हो रही है this is one fourth a piece of bread तो या अगर आप इसको दो साइकिल से लेके जाओगे अगर आप इसको दो बार हाफ करोगे यू विल गेट वन फोर्थ इसको मैं प्रूव कर देता हूँ यूजिंग अ कैलकुलेटर तो या ये कैलकुलेटर है हमारे पास अगर हम वन डिवाइड बाय टू करें तो विल गेट वन बाय टू और अगर हम इसको फिर से डिवाइड बाय टू करें विल गेट वन बाय फोर which is 0.25. 1 by 4 is 0.25. So yeah, the bread का टुकड़ा जो है अगर हम उसको दो दफा half करें, we will be left with 1/4 of a bread. So yeah, so दो दफा हमने इसको हाफ किया, राइट? दो दफा हमने हाफ किया है। दैट मीन्स कि इसको हाफ होने में जो 5700 ईयर्स लगे थे वो दो दफा होंगे। वो दो दफा 5700 ईयर्स रिपीट होंगे। तो 5700 इंटू टू विल बी इक्वल्स टू 14 1114 11,400, sorry. So yeah, B will be the only valid answer. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.